Friends, welcome back in this series of lectures on pharmaceutical chemistry. In last few lectures, we have seen the fundamentals, classification of drugs, qualities of an ideal drug, and synthesis of some important drugs. So today we are going to consider the synthesis of benzocaine. In 1890, the German chemist Edward Rietsert, the period is 1859 to 1946, synthesized benzocaine, which is a derivative of organic compound para-amino-benzoic acid. Of course, during your examination you will not be asked these dates and the names of the chemist, but it is just to create interest. We are considering these facts. So it was the year 1890 when Edward Rietsert synthesized benzocaine as a derivative of para-amino-benzoic acid. Then benzocaine was first synthesized in the town of Eberbach and introduced in the market in 1902 under the name anthracis. Okay, so it was the first name anthracis. Then benzocaine is the ethyl ester of para-amino-benzoic acid. Para-amino-benzoic, PABA is the abbreviated form. Para-amino-benzoic acid is converted into corresponding ethyl ester and the compound is benzocaine. It can also be prepared from PABA and ethanol, and by Fischer esterification, or also by the reduction of ethyl para-nitrobenzoate. Benzocaine is sparingly soluble in water. It is more soluble in dilute acids and very soluble in ethanol, chloroform and ethyl ether. These are the organic solvents. Actually, this is a chemical transformation. Para-amino-benzoic acid. So this is benzene ring. It has NH2 group at the para position. Then it has a COOH group. So benzene COOH group becomes benzoic acid. At para position NH2 group, it is para-amino-benzoic acid. This is condensed with, or this is treated with ethanol, OH, CH2, CH3 in presence of sulfuric acid. The reaction results in the replacement of H of the proton by CH2, CH3 group, ethyl group. So this is amino group, benzene ring as it is, COO as it is, and H is replaced by CH2, CH3. So it is ethyl ester. This is the ester group. Ethyl ester of para-amino-benzoic acid, and the name is benzocaine. The same reaction in different presentation is shown here. So this is NH2 group, COOH, H is replaced by CH2, CH3 in acidic condition. So synthesis of benzocaine is given. Now in this case we are going to consider two routes as mentioned earlier. We start from para-nitrobenzoic acid. This is nitro group and this is COOH group. So para-nitrobenzoic acid. Para-nitrobenzoic acid has to be converted into para-amino-ethyl benzoate. This is para-amino group and this is ethyl benzoate group. So two possible routes are there. Of course, you can remember any one of these. So according to one route, you start with esterification, convert this acid into ester, and this is para-nitroethyl acetate, okay, or ethyl ester, ethyl benzoate, para-nitroethyl benzoate, that is the corresponding ester. This ester on reduction gives para-amino compound, that is benzocaine. The alternative route is nitro compound is reduced to amino compound. So para-amino-benzoic acid, PABA, as we have seen in earlier reaction, this para-amino-benzoic acid is esterified by using ethyl alcohol and sulfuric acid to get this para-amino-ethyl benzoate, which is benzocaine. So the reactions are very simple and the possible routes are there. So benzocaine is a typical anesthetic contained in some marketed over the counter is OTC oral drug products intended to relieve pain from a variety of conditions such as sore throats, canker sores, that is in the mouth, and irritations in the mouth and gums. So that is the local anesthetic especially used in these situations. So the initial name was Americaine. Benzocaine was initially used by the name Americaine. It is an anesthetic lubricant and it is a local anesthetic. It is used to reduce pain or discomfort caused by minor skin irritations, sore throat, sunburn, teething pain, rectal irritations, ingrown tonsils, hemorrhoids, and many other sources of minor pain on the surface of the body. So these are the applications. Actually, it is available in several forms. So it is available in the form of aerosol, then it is formed in the form of gel, paste, and cream. So this is in the form of ointment, this is powder, and this is the in the form of cream. It is available. So these are the possible forms. An overdose of benzocaine topical applied to the skin can cause life-threatening side effects such as uneven heartbeats, seizure, that is convulsions, coma, slowed down breathing, or respiratory failure, that is breathing stops. So avoid eating within 1 hour after using benzocaine topical on your gums or inside your mouth. Okay, so these are the side effects. So friends, even though we are learning some fundamentals in pharmaceutical chemistry, this knowledge you should not use for self medication. या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण या विविध प्रकारच्या औषधासंदर्भात प्राथमिक माहिती करून घेत आहोत. याचा अर्थ एवढ्या माहितीच्या आधारे आपण स्वतःवर किंवा आणखी कोणावर या औषधांचे प्रयोग करायचे नाही आहेत. केमिस्ट्रीचे विद्यार्थी म्हणून काही मूलभूत संकल्पना समजावून घ्याव्यात या हेतूने या रिॲक्शन्स आणि या टॉपिकचा समावेश करण्यात आलेला आहे. भविष्य काळामध्ये ज्या करिअरच्या अपॉर्च्युनिटीज अवेलेबल आहेत केमिस्ट्री ग्रॅज्युएटसाठी, त्याच्यामध्ये मोठ्या प्रमाणातल्या संधी या मेडिकल केमिस्ट्रीशी रिलेटेड आहेत, फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्रीशी रिलेटेड आहेत, आणि त्यामुळं विविध भूमिका भविष्यकाळामध्ये पार पाडण्यासाठी किमान ज्ञान आपल्याला काही असावं अशा हेतूनं या रिॲक्शन्स आणि या टॉपिकचा समावेश करण्यात आलेला आहे. आपण थांबवण्यापूर्वी पुन्हा एकदा हे रिवाईज करूया. आपल्याला जे परीक्षेला विचारलं जाईल ते बेन्झोकेन इज द इथिल एस्टर ऑफ पॅरा अमिनो बेन्झोइक ॲसिड. ट्राय टू कन्वर्ट दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इनटू MCQs once again. Benzocaine is the ethyl ester of para-aminobenzoic acid. Para-aminobenzoic acid is PABA. It is prepared by esterification. Then the other alternative is by reduction of ethyl para-nitrobenzoate. Okay. Then its solubility is given. The reaction is important. It is para-aminobenzoic acid converted into benzocaine. The alternative routes are para-nitrobenzoic acid into para-nitroethyl benzoate, para-nitroethyl benzoate into para-aminoethyl benzoate. So you start with para-nitroethyl benzoic acid, para-nitrobenzoic acid into the H is replaced by ethyl group. So para-nitrobenzoic acid to its ethyl benzoate derivative. Nitro group remains as it is, and in the last step nitro group is reduced to NH2 group. So this is the desired product. Alternatively, nitro group is converted to amino in the first step and then esterified to get the required product. So with this information we are going to stop here in this video. Thank you.